how to fix the audio service is not running in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you two methods to fix your audio service on your Windows. So let's dive right in. Go to the search bar and then search for device manager first. Go ahead and open it up, and then once you're here, scroll down and go to sound, video and game controllers, tap on the arrow, and now right click on each of these device shown here. So if it shows disable device, then leave it as it is. However, instead of disable device, it shows enable device, then tap on enable. Sometimes the device might have been disabled, so you'll have to re-enable it manually. Now, once you've done that, another thing what you can do is you can go to the services option, go ahead and open that up. And once it is open, scroll down and search for Windows Audio. So go ahead and tap on it and you can see restart the service option. So you can tap on restart to refresh the audio services. I hope one of the solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.